Hello. Hello and welcome to today's class. Today we're going to be talking about the unit of measurement. This is an internationally recognized standard of measurements which includes centigrade, Fahrenheit, inches, foot, yard, centimeters, meters, and much more. Now, talking about our learning objectives for today. First of all, we are going to learn how to read a thermometer. Basically, there are different types of thermometer. We're going to look at all of this. Secondly, we're going to see how we can measure using an inch ruler. Lastly, we are going to see how we can know which customary unit of length is appropriate. Is it inches or feet? We're going to see that. Now, talking about our first objectives, let's get to know what a thermometer really is. A thermometer is an instrument that is used to measure the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. Or we can simply say a thermometer is an instrument that is used for measuring temperature. Now, basically, we have two types of thermometer, which is first of all the one that is called the digital thermometer. Secondly, we also have what is known as the analog thermometer. Now, I want to believe that those of us who have been to the hospital in one case or the other would have come in contact with the use of either of these thermometer. Now, another instrument that is used in the unit of measurement is what is known as a ruler. Now, this ruler is an instrument that is used to measure the length and distance of space or object. Alright, now we're going to see how we are going to read an analog thermometer. This can be done by looking at the level of the mercury on the calibration on the thermometer. This can be measured either in Fahrenheit or centigrade. For an example, what is the reading of this analog thermometer? Looking at the level of the mercury in this analog thermometer, it stops at 70 degrees Fahrenheit. And therefore, the reading of this analog thermometer is simply 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Having done that, let's now look at how we're going to read a digital thermometer. For an example, let's say what is the reading on this digital thermometer. The reading of the digital thermometer is quite easier to read by just simply looking at the digits on the thermometer. For example, if we have to read the thermometer, we can do that by looking at the digits on the digital thermometer as clearly and accurately indicated, which is 98 degrees Fahrenheit, and hence the reading of this digital thermometer is simply 98 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let us see how we can measure using an inch ruler. This picture below shows example of inch ruler you might be coming across with. An example, if we are to measure the length of this pencil, we do that by placing the tip of the pencil at the starting point of the calibration on the ruler, which of course is at point 0, and hence look at the length of the pencil on the end point of the calibration on the ruler, which is at point 14. And hence, if we are to find the length of this pencil, we can simply say that the length of this pencil is 14 centimeter. Giving more examples, if we are to find the length of this crayon using an inch ruler, we can see that the end point of the crayon to the tip of the crayon on the inch ruler is 3 inches. So, we can simply say that the length of the crayon is 3 inches. So also, if we are to measure the length of the pencil in centimeters, the end point of the pencil to the tip of the pencil on the ruler is 16 centimeter as indicated, and hence we can simply say that the length of the pencil is 16 centimeter. Alright friends, is activity time. Answer the question of activity 1 and activity 2 in your exercise books, and do have a great day. See you in our next class. Bye bye.